Welcome to this Global Peatlands Initiative video about using the Three Horizons approach to help us with our thinking about transformational change for and of the tropical peatland system in 4 geographies. This video introduces Three Horizons, the project, and the survey we would like you to complete as an important part of this work. Three Horizons. We start with the vertical axis that represents the fitness for purpose of the current system, the current paradigm if you will. In our case this is the current peatland system in 4 geographical areas. The horizontal axis is time. For our work here, time starts now and runs for 10 years to 2031. Here is Horizon 1, or just H1 for short. This might be thought of as business as usual. Whatever we may think of its current fitness for purpose, it is degrading over time and becoming less fit. Here is the third horizon. Don't worry, we'll come back to the second horizon very soon. The third horizon, or H3, is the world in 2031 that we see, where the tropical peatland system is sustainable and a key part of continuing planetary health. Here is that second horizon, H2. This is the transformational journey between Horizons 1 and 3, between business as usual and our envisioned future. We need Horizons 1 and 3 to frame this journey and give it context. The 3 horizons are not sequential. They are all present at the same time. On the left-hand side, we can already see initiatives that are embodying what we would like to see in Horizon 3. And over on the right-hand side, Horizon 3 will have some aspects of Horizon 1 still present. And so to our work together. We are looking to build a shared understanding of tropical peatlands in 4 geographies: Indonesia, Peru, Republic of the Congo, and Democratic Republic of the Congo. We're doing this with a view to create a network of researchers, practitioners and policymakers that informs and identifies the governance actions that in turn increase the resilience of marginalised groups to cope with climate risk. At the same time, the network will enable the conservation, restoration and sustainable management of tropical peatlands. We're equally focused on how to work together to achieve this development, and the work we do with Three Horizons will help inform how we go about doing just that. Our survey. For Horizon 1, we have 3 questions for you. And for Horizon 3, we also have 3 questions. And for Horizon 2, we have 2 questions. Each question is asked twice, once from a region perspective and once from a global perspective. For each of the questions, please feel free to answer either the region question or the global question, or indeed both. Both versions of each question are contained in full in the Google survey form. Our first question for Horizon 1, the current system. What do you observe or experience around you that shows that the sustainability of the current peatland system is under strain in your region or at a global scale? Question 2. What do you observe or experience around you in your region or at a global scale that suggests tensions are increasing between elements of the peatland system such as biophysical, economic, climatic and political, which are impacting the health of our planet? And question 3 asks this: are there any aspects of the current tropical peatland system, e.g. governance, management, physical, in your region or at a global scale that you feel must be maintained, carried forward and even amplified? We are not looking to remove Horizon 1, just to transform it, while recognising that some aspects will be kept even in our Horizon 3. Horizon 3. The third horizon we would like to work towards is one where the global peatland system has achieved sustainability and is aligned with the health of our planet through an unprecedented mobilisation of stakeholders in and around the peatland system. For our Three Horizons questions, try to imagine you have just come out of a time machine and are actually in such a third horizon in 2031 and observing what is happening there. Question 1. In 2031, what do you observe or experience around you that indicates that the tropical peatland system is fulfilling and evolving with the needs of society as a whole at a regional or global scale? Secondly, still in 2031, what do you observe or experience around you that shows that the current tropical peatland system is now well aligned with the current and emerging needs of planetary health as a whole, including human society, at a regional or global scale? Now come back from 2031 to the present moment. Question 3. Right now in 2021, what do you observe or experience around you that feels like some aspects of the future tropical peatland system, the third horizons we are looking towards, are actually already present at a regional and global scale? They may be fragile, they may be under-resourced and even under threat, but they are there in the here and now. Horizon 2. This is the transformative journey for the global peatland system out of our current Horizon 1 and towards the sustainability and alignment of the planetary health in Horizon 3. Question 1. What existing initiatives do you feel could enable the transition of the current tropical peatland system out of Horizon 1 to help realise our vision for Horizon 3 at a regional and/or global scale? And finally, Horizon 2, Question 2. What initiatives do you feel need to be started in your region or at a global scale that would lead the current tropical peatland system out of Horizon 1 and towards Horizon 3? For each of these questions, we're hoping you can help us with up to 4 or 5 things that you can see or imagine happening in the world. All we need is a name for each and a very short description. Your answers will be included in the production of an overall 3 horizons map, which we will share with you before using it as input to our overall vision and the way we may achieve it all together. To help you with sending us your inputs, we have prepared a Google form that has our 3 horizons questions and space for your answers. The address for the form is on screen now and is also in the email we sent you letting you know about this video. Thank you for your time. We look forward to sharing the results of this work with you, which will include all of your inputs.